Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show you the dishes that I was responsible for Thanksgiving. I did turkey, mac and cheese, I did a little bit of chicken, and I did sweet potato cornbread. And so here I started cooking my turkey about 2 a.m. Before Thanksgiving, and I basted every hour. I started cooking it for an hour at 350, and then on the second hour I turned it down to 290. And I started seeing like I was watching a lot of TikTok videos because it's like my first actual time cooking a turkey. And they had them in oven bags. They were doing this. They were brining it. They were saying that the meat was going to be dry. They had all these things. And I was like, I didn't do a wet or dry brine. What I did was I seasoned it and I set it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I don't know if you consider that a dry brine, but as you can see by the third hour, it was basically busting open. So I didn't use a bag, but my turkey wound up turning out very, very tender. In the fourth hour, so between fourth and the fifth hour, I cooked it with the top off of it so that it can get the color that it got. And I realized, I was like, why does turkey look like that? I cooked it upside down, but the turkey was still a 10 out of 10. I used a injection butter. They were out of Tony's, so I wound up using the Zatarain's. Another popular thing I did not do was stuff the turkey. I did slice up some carrots, but my husband is not a big fan of like onions and stuff like that, so I didn't really stuff it. And it turned out very flavorful, very, very good. The turkey was literally tender and fall off the bone. And I just used that little brush to baste it. And I think the last hour I basted it probably every 30 minutes, every 15 to 30 minutes. But it turned out so good, y'all. So I just wanted to share that. Oh, and I forgot to say, in the last hour, I did turn it up to 300. So I just turned it up for the last hour to 300. Is frying some chicken. So I'm gonna I took the skin off because I cannot stand the skin. I'm gonna dump this little excess yuck off, and then I'm going to pat it dry and put some oils on it, and I'm gonna season it, and then that is gonna go in the oven after the turkey, and then we'll start on the macaroni and cheese. And so let's keep this on the road. All right, you guys, so I'm still baking this chicken. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. It's been in there for about 1 hour. I put it in there at 8, so it's 9. So I'm gonna put it again, covered for another hour, and then we are gonna put the gravy and stuff in there, and then we'll do it uncovered for an hour so they can be tender. So yeah, this is just extra for those who don't want turkey, which is I just did a little chicken. Cheese I'm about to get ready to shred. So let me get started. This is the first block I shredded, and then I'm about to shred this, and then I think I'm gonna shred some mozzarella cheese. I think this will be enough, but we're gonna see. So yeah, y'all, I forgot to record me finishing the chicken, but anyway, I shredded the cheese, put it back in the macaroni and cheese, and it was so good. I had the little cheese grater. I don't have a little circle one, but it did what it needed to do, so that was good. And yeah, it turned out really well. All right, Alright, so this is my macaroni and cheese. It turned out good. The only thing that I missed was putting the cream cheese in there to make it a little bit more creamy, but it turned out really, really good. And so now I'm about to get ready to make the sweet potato cornbread. And I just use Jiffy Mix and sweet potato. You can put them in the microwave. I mixed it all up. I took it out and I put honey and butter on it, and I stuck it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. And these are just some pictures from Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed your families. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Bye.